over there that will change your life forever. Okay? See you in a bit. Okay, welcome back to Lanny, the Game Changer Skilling. The first app is right there, Observer. ObserverNow.com. Free to register, just fill it out and it'll tell you what shift you're going to and whatever you're supposed to do to get paid right into your PayPal. And the second app will be EasyShiftApp.com. Right on. Get paid to shop, eat, and explore in your city. How awesome is that? Yeah. There you go. It's free to register. Don't wait up. If I give you value, don't forget to subscribe my video, hit the notification bell, or like it so you can see more of this video in the late future. Okay, see ya.